The first chapter, the model of the Earth, for the class 5th. As you see the globe here, a model of the Earth is globe. It is round in shape. If you see this point, this is bulges from this is flat from here and bulges from this side. You will see this. If you see the globe, you see the one side of the globe, other side you cannot see. For that you have to turn it to see the other part, and it is revolving around this imaginary line which passes through it, which is known as the axis. Now if you see this picture taken from the satellite, you show this round is almost Earth is round, almost round in shape. Now the latitudes, first thing. Now if you look at the globe, you will see the full circle which runs from east to west, and these lines are known as lines of latitude, or they are known as parallel. As you see here, these are the lines which are known as longitudes, which are parallel to each other, but they are also known as parallels. 0 degree is the equator, which is the longest latitude on the Earth, which is an imaginary line. We divide the Earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the north of the equator is southern hemisphere, and the south of the equator is southern hemisphere. These are the portions of the Earth hemispheres. Now, line of latitudes are measured in degrees, and it starts from the equator and then goes up. This, like this. Here. The North Pole is at the 90 degree, and South Pole is at the 90 degree. South and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it goes up. If you see the important lines of latitude, you can see here. This is 90 degree North Pole. This is known as the Arctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree north. This is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. This is the equator, which is the longest line on the Earth. Then the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. Then the Tropic of Antarctic Circle, 66.5 south. Then the South Pole, 90 degrees South Pole. These are the important parallels of latitudes. Now the other imaginary line on the Earth's surface is known as longitudes, which divide the North Pole with the South Pole. These are the lines. You see these lines? These are the longitude which are coming from here to here, from North Pole to South Pole. These are, and minded, they are also known as meridian. And minded that these are the imaginary lines. They are not there on the actual Earth. It is only for our studies they have drawn these lines to make it easy for us. And all the meridians are equal in length. Like in latitude, they are not equal in length. But here the latitudes are equal length, with all joining at the North Pole and the South Pole. Now this 0 degree is known as the prime meridian, which passes through the Greenwich in London. And it is a starting line, and it is 0 degree here. And from there is the longitude path. From the eastern side is known as eastern longitude, and the western side is known as the western longitude or west longitude. They are 360 in number, 180 in the east and 180 in the west. Total there are 360 degree of longitudes. Now the grid. Another important thing is the grid. Now why the grids are there? How the grids are there? You have seen here lines. If you see, I show in the diagram. Suppose this is the globe. These are the longitudes, 0 degree. These are the latitudes, 0 degree. So these are the imaginary lines. Now these both the longitude and latitudes are cutting each other at right angle, and this network is known as grid. Now why this grid? Because the grids helps us to locate the place on the Earth. The point where both the longitude and latitudes are meeting, these are the longitudes, and these are latitudes, and these are the longitudes. So where the longitudes and latitudes are meeting, they are at this point of intersection, we find that place will be there. So we should know the longitude and latitude of that place, and by the help of that longitude and latitude we can find out the place with the help of this grid, where this place is located. Where there is two lines cross each other, at that point of intersection you will find the place where you want to find it with the place, whatever place you want to find. And with the help of longitudes and latitude, with the help of longitude, you can also find the time of a place sitting at your home, which you will read in the class 6th, how to calculate this time. Now, if you see the important words, axis, the imaginary line around which the earth rotates is known as the axis, and the largest parallel, it divides the earth into two equal halves, is known as equator. Now, if you go to the important points, you will know that earth is round in shape, the globe is a model of the earth, latitudes are imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator, longitudes are semicircles that join the North Pole to the South Pole, and the latitudes and longitude cross each other to form a grid. As you also will knowing that here it is written, they are written that earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation, as you know, which is also known as the earth day. The earth rotates from west to east. It takes about 4 minutes for the earth to rotate through 1 degree of longitude. So when it is sunrise in the eastern side of the India, the western side is still in darkness. There is nearly 1 hour of difference between the western and the eastern side of India. But to avoid confusion, most countries have the local time. In India, we have the Indian Standard Meridian, which passes through Allahabad. This means that the whole country has the same time. Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82 degree 5 inch east longitude, which is the west town of Mirzapur near Allahabad in UP, which is taken as the standard meridian according with the times are calculated. In the next class, you will know how to calculate the time. So if you know the longitude and latitude of a place here, you can find out any place sitting at your home, and you also can find out the difference of time. What is the time? And by the help of this also, you by the latitude longitude measuring, you can know the distance of a place also. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe it.